Are you tired of dull, lifeless skin? Let's change that today. Healthy skin is essential for beauty and confidence. It reflects your overall health. First, understand your skin type. Is it oily, dry, or combination? Next, establish a daily skincare routine. Cleansing, moisturizing, and sunscreen are crucial. Start with gentle cleansing. Use a product suited for your skin type. After cleansing, apply a hydrating moisturizer. This seals in moisture and promotes softness. Don't forget sunscreen. It protects against harmful UV rays. Apply it every morning. Once a week, exfoliate your skin. This removes dead skin cells and reveals a fresh layer. Hydrate from within. Drink plenty of water daily. It keeps your skin plump and glowing. A balanced diet is a game changer. Include fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Stress management also plays a role. Practice mindfulness or yoga. It keeps your skin calm. Finally, get plenty of sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you rest. Remember these steps for healthy skin. Understand your type, cleanse, moisturize, apply sunscreen, exfoliate, hydrate, eat well, manage stress, and sleep. Start today. Your skin will thank you for it. Subscribe for more skin tips.